website.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Trousdale County Sheriff's Office for Avah, Faye, Richmond. Avah is a 5-month-old, white female, 24 inches tall, 15 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. Avah was last seen in Hartsville, Tennessee on April 22, 2023. Avah may be with Ryan Allen Richmond, traveling in a dark green spray-painted Dodge Ram pickup. There is no known direction of travel. If you have seen Avah or have information regarding her whereabouts, please contact Trousdale County Sheriff's Office at 615-374-3994 or the TBI at 1-800-TBI-FI North D.